विसा उपरांत येवकार गोंयचे फामाद गोंयच्या सायबाचें फेस्त ह्या वर्सा 3 डिसेंबरा बदला 4 डिसेंबराक जातलें. एडवंटाक सुरवात जाल्ल्यान खंयच्याच संतांचें फेस्त आयतारचें करपाक मेळना. हातूंत चीप पब्लिसिटी घेवपाक कोणें कसल्योय अफवा पसरूच्यो न्हय. गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्ष जागृत आसा म्हण गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षाचे म्हणयारे ट्राजेनो डिमेलो उलयला. आयडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Now there are many elements who are trying to create confusion because they can see that Goa forward is taking Goenkar and Goenkar Pond really forward. So they try to just make an issue that the feast is fixed for 4th and we are sleeping. There are some media reports also. But Iris has posted me directly, where is this Goenkar Pond? You are sleeping, I would like to tell him that we are wide awake and we are awakened, not only awake, we are awakened people. We are not awake and dreaming, we are awakened. And the government of Goa has already declared December 4th as a holiday. So who is awakened and who is sleeping becomes clear. This is the government calendar. This is nothing afterthought. 4th of December can be seen here. So what I am saying that we are awakened, I am substantiating it. Now who is awakened and who is awake and sleeping, the people should decide. Just try to get cheap publicity and questioning every time the Goenkar Pond is only coming out of a hatred, or they are still living in darkness when the festival of lights is already supposed to, that is not, it is symbol of light is nothing but to enlighten human beings, and yet the people are still in darkness. We pray that they be enlightened on this Lakshmi Puja day at least, and do not run for cheap publicity. Fully aware of the sentiments of every Goenkar, not only in Goa, not only at Goa, even people outside the state of Goa, even people outside the country who revere this great saint, which is lovingly known as Goincho Sahib. This could have never escaped us, but since it was already declared as a holiday, we don't run for cheap publicity, or we don't try to defend somebody, because at least we hope that even we and our leaders will be enlightened in this Diwali festival of lights, a symbol which tells us that it is for us to get illumined, and that is what we are, and we are trying to be that with God's grace. You're only exposing and betraying your dark attitudes. That's all what is happening, nothing else.